After learning common multiples and prime factorization and to find HCF, now we can easily understand what is lowest common multiple and how to find the lowest common multiples of the given set of the numbers. All right, from the name itself, it is very clear. Lowest means the smallest common multiple, right? The given two numbers or given three numbers will have a lot of multiples, and what is the common multiple? That multiples, the common multiples, the smallest common multiple is called the LCM of those given two numbers. Let me give an example here. Suppose I have here I have suppose 3, and here I have suppose 4. Okay, so and I need to find out the lowest common multiples, LCM of this 3 and 4. Right, this 3 and 4. Then first I will write multiples of 3. Right, multiples of 3. So what are the multiples of 3? Multiples of 3 means all the table of 3. That's 3 means those numbers to which 3 can divide. All right, 3, 6, and then 9, and then 12, and then 15, 18, 21, and then 24, and then 27, and so on. And similarly now multiples of 4. So what are the multiples of 4? 4, and then 8, and then 12, and then 16, and then 20, and then 24, and then 28, and then 32, and then 36, and so on. All right, so now lowest common multiples, lowest and the common multiple. Now see here, what are the common multiples? First let's check all those common multiples. All right, common, what are the common here? So here, yes, I got the first common is 12, the second common is 24, and now you can guess the third common is here 36 and 36, like this. So here are the commons, the common multiples. So here 12 is also common multiple, 24 is also common multiple, 36 is also common multiples. But which common multiple we need? We need the lowest one. So that is why our appropriate answer is here 12. Therefore lowest common multiple, or simply LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So 12 is the first number to which 3 and 4 can together divide. This is the first one, and the second one is 24, and the third one is 36, to which 3 and 4 can divide without any remainder together. 3 also divide and 4 also divides. All right. There are many methods to find out the LCM, to find out the lowest common multiples of given set of numbers. All right, one is a division method. All right, another is prime factorization method. All right, so let's do by division method first. Let's do by division method. This is the best method, I think, in my opinion, and try to learn this method. This is really interesting and shorter and faster. Let's take any two numbers. Suppose 12 and 18. All right, so what's the LCM of 18 and 12? Let's find out. All right, to find this by division method, first we'll write like this: 12, and then by giving comma you'll write 18. Okay, and then you'll make a straight line like this, and then another line like this. This is the way. And after that, now you need to choose a number which can divide this 12 and 18 together. The smallest number you need to choose. So I will suggest you first check by 2 whether 2 is going to divide both or not, and then check by 3, then check by 4, then check by 5, 6, and like this is go. All right, there is no need to do by 4 and 6 if you did already by 2 and 3. All right, and you just can try some prime numbers also. Okay, so here what I got 2 here. So let me try here. 2 times 6 and 2 times 9. And after that, find out another common numbers that can divide 6 also, that can divide 9 also. All right, yes, and that's again that's 3. All right, so it's 3 times 2 and 3 times 3. All right, now you can stop here. There is no further any numbers which can divide 2 and 3 together, because both are prime numbers. All right, you can stop here, or if you want, then you can write in the form of 1 also, if you want, like 2 times 1 times 3, and 3 times 1 and 1. All right, if you want, but this is no necessary to do this one. After this, there is no necessary to do. All right, so what is now LCM? So LCM is going to be now 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 times 1 times 1. Alright, that's 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. 1 times 1 I'm not going to write, that's actually the same. So 2 times 3, that's 6, 6 times 2, that is 12, and 12 times 3, that is 36. So the LCM of this 12 and 36, 12 and 18 is 36. So from here what we should understand, that 36 is the first number to which 12 can also divide and 18 can also divide, and the second number will be multiple of 36, 72. So 72 is the second number to which 18 can also divide and this 12 can also divide. After that you will get 108 and so on, like this you can go. So the smallest, so 36, 72 and 108, these all three numbers, and even many more. There are a lot of numbers to which this 12 and 18 can divide, but we need the smallest one, you know, the lowest one we need, and the lowest one is here 36. So that's why 36 is the lowest common multiple of 12 and 18. 12 also can divide and 18 can also divide. Now let's do by prime factorization method. Okay, prime factorization method. So in this method, like we write first 12 and 18 as the product of prime numbers. So prime factorization of 12, if you do, you'll get 2, 6 and 2, 3. What you'll get here? 2 times 2 times 3 you'll get. Similarly for the 18, if you do, you'll get 2 times 9 and then 3 times 3. So you'll write 2 times 3 times 3. And after that, you see the common things. Common is here 3, common is here 2. So here LCM, while writing LCM, you need to take care that whatever the things are repeated, you are going to write for 1. Like here is 2 is the common, right? 2 times it has been here. So I'll write here 1 time. Similarly here 3 is here 2 times. So I'll just write 1 time. And this 2 is unpaired. So I'll write this. And this 3 is also unpaired. So I'll write this. So what I'm going to get? 2 times 3, that's 6. 6 times 2, that is 12. 12 times 3, that is 36. Answer. If it's going to be unpaired, then you need to write that. And it's paired or tripled when you're finding out the prime LCM of 3 numbers, then you need to write those all. All right. For example, I'm taking one more, a little bit a bigger one. I hope that will be suppose suppose LCM of 27 and 108 you're going to find out. Okay, so that time 27, how you'll write that? First you need to do the prime factorization. So 2, not 3, 3 times 9 and 3 times 3. So you're going to have 3 times 3 times 3. And for 108, okay, for 108 I think 2 can also divide. 2 times 5 and 4. So 2 times 27 and then 2 times, not by 2, by 3, 3 times 9 and then 3 times 3. So it's 108 is equal with now 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. So now see what are the things getting paired and unpaired. All right, so this 3 is going to get paired here. Similarly this 3 is going to get paired. Similarly this 3 is getting paired. So these all 3 are getting paired. So LCM, while I will write, what I will do, first I'll write the paired thing. For the paired one, for this 2 I'll write only 1, and for this pair I'll write 1. For this pair I'll write 1 time, and this 2 is unpaired with 27, so I'll write that 2 also. This 2 is also unpaired with this 27, so I'll write this also. So now the LCM will be 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 3, 27, 27 times 2, 54, and 54 times 2, it's 108. So 108 itself is the first number. 188 is only the first number to which 108 also can divide and 27 can also divide. Means this is the first multiple to which 108 as well as 27 can divide. And after that, second one will be 216, and then it will be 400, and there are a lot, you know, just multiple of 108. You just it is like that. So not only 216 and another you can add 108 like that. All right, but this is the first one. 216 as well as 108, both are the multiples of 27 and 108, but the lowest one, the smallest one is 108. That's why 108 is the LCM of 27 and 108. I hope you understand how to find the LCM of the given two numbers. And if there is any confusions or something, then please feel free to comment below this video. And if you have any suggestions to give me, then please, I really appreciate that. Please send me that.